Hey Jared and everyone there at Carbon Digital. My name is Charles Marine. I'm with your local SEO professionals, a company in Philadelphia. This is me over here. I wanted to first of all thank you for connecting with me on Facebook. This is in response. This is a video I promised. Just giving you a few tips on your website and what you can do to start ranking better and drawing in more clients. First of all, I want to say I like your website. The reason I'm smiling is because I realize you do a lot of the same stuff I do. So I think you're someone, at least your company is someone I'd like to hear feedback from this video because yeah, I hope this can help, and I hope we can challenge ourselves to get more clients. All right, so the three things I want to talk about, which I'm sure you're familiar with, are content, citations, and backlinks. I'm sure, as you well know, if you optimize those three things, you will begin to rank a lot better on Google search results. All right, so let me get started. I don't want to waste any more of your time. As you know, content is everything on your pages, on your web page. All the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, everything I've highlighted here in blue as content. In fact, I want to just check one thing. Even how your pictures are saved, Google does look at that, and I can see that you've just saved it as at least these two pictures as names. It'd be really helpful for you to save your pictures as keywords. For example, if I want to get a different picture, these links, here, save image as Carbon Digital web logo. What I would do is save it as with a keyword like SEO, search engine optimization. The keywords, those are the intentful phrases that potential clients put into Google to look for your business. So save your pictures with keywords. And one other thing I want to say about tech, Google considers a page that has about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text as optimal. And obviously, that text has to be saturated with good keywords. Once again, keywords like, for example, when I searched for Harrisburg SEO company, that's a keyword which, if you saturate your website and as you get a stronger website, you will begin to rank better for this keyword. Therefore, people will find you in either the map pack or organic search results. So for this video, I'm going to take your top competitor, Jason Schaefer Group, in the map pack, and also Jason Schaefer Group is also the first in organic search results. So I'm going to use them as my example. This is their website here, and as you can see, look at all this text that they have. Yeah, and I'm sure we can find a few keywords: leading SEO expert, successful SEO strategy, things like that are what people would search for. Industry leading search engine optimization. Looking for, like here, this is a whole on-page optimization, a whole bunch of keywords that people would look for and that tell Google that they are the right website to place in front of different searches. So that's it for content. Second thing I want to mention is citations, and that has to do with the map pack here. Citations are what the number of citations you have is what really, and the quality of the citations is what helps you rank in the map pack. I have a tool which I'm sure you know of. It's called whitespark.ca. It helps me look at citations, and I ran your competitor Jason Schaefer in the tool, and I see that they've got 24 citation sources. I also ran your company, Carbon Digital, and I see you have about 23 citations, but I'm not sure if most of them are coming from Facebook. Whereas Jason Schaefer, their citations are from different directories across the web. Once again, citations are different directories that across the web where your name, address, and phone number, your name, address, and phone number are cited in these different directories like Dexnos, Yext, White, whitepages.com, superpages, yellowpages.com, LinkedIn, etc. And it's pretty easy to beat your competitors here, because what I would do is I would grab your competitors, all of them here, especially the top three in the map pack, place them into WhiteSpark, find all the citation sources that they have, and go onto each and every one of these directories and place yourself there. Second thing I would do, because they're only 24, I would try and maybe quadruple or beat them by 5 times, meaning get 100 or more citation sources so that you stay on top of the game, on top of the map pack, and it's hard for them to ever come and beat you again. So that's citations. And then the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And that has to do with this organic area here. I'm sure you know backlinks are just links that are on other websites that point to your website. And I use this tool called Ahrefs, popular tool. I'm sure you guys use it as well. And with this, I can analyze different websites. And I took the liberty of putting in your website, and I can see you have about 232 backlinks. You're ranking for 170 organic keywords. Through them, you get about 15 people per month. And I'm looking at the quality of your backlinks from a scale of 0 to 100. Most of them are low quality. Taking a look at your competitors again. Here we go. Most of his are also very low quality, so it's not as bad. It's not as hard to beat them. It might take some time because of the amount, but adding more and more backlinks in the higher quality area. Once again, I just want to remind you, all backlinks are not created equal, meaning some backlinks will count in Google's eyes more than others. For example, if a pizza website is linking to your website, that has nothing to do with what you guys do. So therefore, Google will see that as more or less spammy and count that against you. Whereas if it's a SEO forum, a reputable one that has a blog post and puts your website there, that's a much stronger backlink. So to be able to increase and beat your competitor, I would go look. If I was you, I'd encourage you to go looking for better and better backlinks and more of them, so you can absolutely dominate. This might take a little bit because he has about 1,000 of them, but it's very possible. A few months is very possible. Let's look at the keywords that this person ranks for, your competitor. So anyone looking for SEO and eRPA, there are about 350 people looking for that search term every month, giving this guy 51 people coming to his website because of that. He's on the second position for that search. Now, if you were to saturate your website and build it up, saturate it with different keywords, make it stronger, build up the backlinks, and therefore start ranking higher, so that if you have this keyword and you're trying to rank for it, you'll be able to grab a lot of this traffic from your competitor because you'll be ranking better than them. Harrisburg SEO company is what I searched for, and you can see here 60 people search for it every month. They get 24 people coming to their website every month because they are the first position. So if you were able to rank better by increasing your quality backlinks, working on your citations, and also working on your content, you'd be able to grab a lot of traffic from these different keywords, which I would include in your site if possible. The higher volume ones are the ones to rather go for, the ones with more traffic. So you can grab a few of these clients from this guy. I don't know what his conversion rate is, but I'm sure he's getting a lot of traffic, which he can afford to share a little bit. As you grow, as you get bigger and your website gets better, you will be able to grab more traffic and convert more people to clients. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: citations, content, and backlinks. Once again, my name is Charles Marine with your local SEO professionals, 215-372-5797. And my email address is, let me put it right here. You can either use info@yourlocalseopros.com or charles@yourlocalseopros.com. Thank you very much. Sorry this took a little bit longer than I wanted, but thanks for your time. All the best. If you want to work together, we can discuss on how we can work together, or just give this to your SEO professionals and let them help you rank better. Take care. Thank you.